Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and I thought, let's make something kind of fun. So this is a Funfetti quick bread. So let's get started.
Only simple ingredients. We need 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 3/4 cup or 395 milliliters of milk, 1/4 cup or 55 milliliters of oil, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons colorful sprinkles, the brighter the color the better. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Stir in milk, oil, and egg. Gently fold in sprinkles. Stop folding when you start seeing streaks. Pour batter into greased bread pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes or until toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This bread is soft and cake-like. It tastes sweet and moist, and the sprinkles really added fun color. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.